Welcome to our series about Alsatian cuisine. Over the next few months, I will be sharing savory and sweet recipes from my home region of Alsace. Alsace is located in eastern France, on the west bank of the Rhine River. We are characterized by a blend of French and Germanic influences due to the decades-long wars between the two countries during the 19th and 20th centuries. The Alsatian identity shows you that borders are just legal boundaries between two geographical areas, even though you will find a similar culture on both sides of the border. I consider myself closer culturally speaking to my German neighbors across the border than my fellow Frenchmen from the southwest region of Bordeaux or Toulouse, for instance. Our regional dialect is a direct descendant from the German language. In the kitchen, this translates into culinary traditions that are very similar between Alsace and Germany. One main trait is the extensive use of pork in various forms. Sausages, lardons, smoked pork, to list a few. Our most well-known savory dish is without a doubt our choucroute garni, a dish that consists of sauerkraut, meats and potatoes. Other dishes that I will introduce you to later on include tarte flambée, also known as flammenkuch, and bekerhofer. And as you can tell, our dish names often keep their Germanic roots. Today, I will be making cocoa Riesling, the Alsatian version of cocoa vin. The main difference is that we are using Riesling wine instead of red wine. Alsace is an important wine-producing region, and Riesling is one type of wine that puts Alsace on the wine map. Cocoa Riesling is light and creamy. The seared chicken is so flavorful and beautifully tender. So let's get started. For our recipe today, you would need your favorite cut of chicken, crème fraîche, nutmeg, mushrooms, an egg yolk, garlic, shallot, butter, Riesling wine, chicken broth, some vegetable oil, and a bouquet garni, which includes a bay leaf, some parsley, and some thyme. First, I'm going to clean and rinse the chicken with cold water. After cleaning, pat dry the chicken and season generously with salt. We're going to peel and finely chop the shallots. Then we are going to peel and mince the garlic. Next, we are going to sear our chicken. Heat oil and melt butter on medium-high in a large Dutch oven or thick bottom pot. Add the chicken to the pot in a single layer, you may need to do this in batches, and sear until golden on all sides. This should take a few minutes. If the skin is still stuck to the pot, resist the urge to flip. It will release when the searing is done. When the searing is done, remove the chicken and set aside. Here I'm going to do my second batch of searing. Keep your Dutch oven on the stove, add shallots and garlic, sauté until tender. Pour in the wine and cook for a minute to deglaze the bottom of the pot. If needed, scrape the bottom gently with a wooden spatula. Add the chicken back. For the thigh pieces, place them skin side up. Add the chicken broth and nutmeg, stirring to combine. Add your bouquet garni. Then cover, reduce heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes. In the meantime, cut your mushrooms into half-centimeter slices. Heat a small pan on medium and add your mushrooms. Let cook for 2-3 minutes to extract water. Add a splash of oil and a pinch of salt and saute for 2 more minutes. When the chicken is ready, discard the bouquet garni. Remove the chicken from the pot to a plate and set aside. In a bowl, weigh the crème fraîche and add in the flour and egg yolk. Whisk until fully combined and you have a smooth cream without any lumps. Pour the cream mixture into the pot and whisk until fully incorporated. Add in the mushrooms, followed by the chicken and simmer for 5 minutes. Our cocoa Riesling is ready. You can serve it immediately or let it cool and sit in the fridge until the next day, which is what I'm doing today. This allows the flavors from the sauce to soak into the chicken even further. See you tomorrow for the final product. Serve with spätzle, the Alsatian option, rice or pasta, and garnish with chopped parsley. Bon appétit! Let's taste! So good. The chicken is so tender and creamy. I'm eating it with a spätzle. I will show you how to make spätzle in another video. And with that, I have a Riesling. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more Vietnamese and French recipes.